Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to solve the equation x power 2 minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, which means it is of the form a x power 2 plus b x plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are consistent. In this case, a equals 1 and b equals 4 and c equals 4. To solve this equation, we will use the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to bracket negative b plus minus square root bracket b power 2 minus 4 a c bracket over 2a. Plug in the value for a, b, and c. We will get x equals bracket negative 4 bracket plus minus square root bracket negative 4 bracket power 2 minus 4 bracket 1 bracket 4 bracket over 2 bracket 1. Simplifying this expression, we will get x equals bracket 4 plus square root 0 bracket over 2. Since the square root of 0 is 0, we will get x equals 2. Now let's check our solution by plugging it back into the original equation. So x power 2 minus 4 x plus 4 equals 0. We are going to plug it back by doing like this: 2 power 2 minus 4 bracket 2 bracket plus 4 equals 0. So the next step, we are going to write 4 equals minus 8 plus 4. That means it's going to give us here 0. So we can see the left hand side of the equation equals side of the equation, which confirms that our solution is correct because it's 0 already. And that's it. We have successfully solved the equation x power 2 minus 4 x plus 4 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula is good. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.